Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and Happy New Year. I hope you're well, and I hope the year is starting off with a bang. We're gonna jump in really quickly. I do apologize about the sun cascading across me, and I apologize about the lighting. I had to kind of shift my way over some because the sun is, you know, I have a window right here. It is what it is. Anyways, today is a massive Bath & Body Works haul. I typically only shop Bath & Body Works 2 times a year. I definitely take advantage of the semi-annual sale. And yeah, I stocked up, and this should last me for a very long time. I will also note too that I use Afterpay. That is definitely an option, and everything here was literally like 120 bucks. But I got some gifts. There's a couple birthdays coming up for some beauties that I know and love, and then I like to put things back to the side for giveaways, things like that. So we're gonna dive in. I think I'm just gonna go by category and we'll kind of go from there. So first up, this is a gift. This is the Bath & Body Works Winter Candy Apple gift set. And I got this for a beauty whose birthday is right around the corner. And I thought this was a super cute gift idea. It has like the shower gel, the body cream, and then a fragrance mist. So I thought that it was a really good deal, and it was like 7 bucks. So super affordable. And then I also got this cute little gift bag just to kind of have one laying around, I guess. Next up, I'll go into like skincare, hair care, things like that. I got the MOXY Sensitive Skin Face Cleansing Milk with Cucumber Extract. And I actually got this for my son. He does have very sensitive dry skin, so I'm going to keep that for when he comes in town. I also picked up for myself, or for my son, the MOXY For You Wavy Hair Shampoo and Conditioner with sunflower extract and olive oil. And it also says it's safe for color treated hair. And these were like $14.95, marked down to like $3 or something, $3 or $4. Incredible value. I have not tried these, so if you have, please let me know. Next up, we'll go into like body lotions, creams, etc. I have the Snowflakes and Cashmere Daily Nourishing Body Lotion with shea butter and coconut oil. Next up, I got the Lovely Dreamer Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. And these are, I mean, big, massive sizes. Regular price was $16.95 on these, and I think they were around $5. Next up is the Frosted Coconut Snowball Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid, 24-hour moisture. And just to kind of show you the difference in the sizing, I mean, they're incredibly big. Next up is the Among the Clouds, the Bath & Body Works Ultimate Hydration Cream. And I tried to get enough scents or varying scents that when I do gift these, or if, you know, I use them for myself, I can kind of pair them, mix and match if I wanted to, but also have like little sets, if you will. Next up, I'll go into the body washes. I picked up 2 body washes. I have the Endless Weekend with Pro Vitamins B5 and Aloe, and the Winter Candy Apple. I also am going to be trying out for the first time, so again, please let me know if you've tried this, the Luminous by Bath & Body Works Shea Butter Cleansing Bar, the bar of soap. Next up, I'll go into the body sprays, and literally I'm just going to say the scents that I got. I got the Among the Clouds, Pink Suede, Lovely Dreamer, Prismatic Stars, Winter Berry Wander, Endless Weekend, and a Winter Candy Apple. And I like to, again, try to mix and match and have them as like little mini gift bundles, gift sets, things like that. And then we will dive into soaps, which is the main reason that I shop Bath & Body Works and I stock up on these. They are basically all that I use as far as hand soaps, because I wash my hands so incredibly much and I already have very dry skin that if I'm using something different, my hands will be so dry that they will crack and peel and bleed. So I like that I can use these. They're really pretty, they have great scents, and they don't dry my skin out. So I do stock up, again, 2 times a year. And I'll just go through the scents again. I have Gingerbread Bakery, Luminous, Marshmallow Fireside, Merry Christmas, Coffee and Whiskey, which actually I have in my bathroom now. It smells divine. And then last but not least, one of my all-time favorite scents, this and the Champagne Toast are the cream of crop in my opinione. The Frosted Cranberry. I had to. So yeah, that is my big haul. Again, you guys, I feel like this is a great time to shop. The semi-annual sale is still going on, and you can take advantage of Afterpay. So yeah, that is my haul. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried any of this? What is your favorite Bath & Body Works scent? Look, the sun is sunning today, y'all. It is sunning today. Yeah, let me know what your favorite scent is. Thank y'all for joining. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.